Okay, so this is a new feature that I'm adding to my rich text editor in the application that I'm working on, which is Minter. And I couldn't find anything in the wild that does this. So I did it in a very naive, um, not the best way or not the most performant way, but it's working. So essentially, what I wanted is that whenever somebody copy any content in the web that includes images, and even not one but also more images than one, like couple images. If I, well, yeah, of course I need to do copy with the keyboard. Just do that, copy, and then when I paste, I needed to not only paste the content where it is, where it should be, but also upload the image to our own server while the when this paste happens. So this is something that every like rich text editor or any system that I've seen that uses Prosemirror as a main library, which is our case, uh, only supports when you do a proper just one adding one image and then you paste the URL and then you do that one by one, not in this way that you can paste multiple images and it will paste them in the right place and also upload it. So I'm here just to show you how I did it. Again, it's not the most performance way, but it works. So I'm using not only Prosemirror, but this other library called BlockNode. And in BlockNode, you have a couple like plugins or blocks that you can add. One is the image block that you can see here. Well, it's this one right here. You call create React block spec to create custom blocks in BlockNode. But then BlockNode by itself doesn't support pasting images. So I needed to create this intermediate uh, plugin called image placeholder. So this image placeholder, the only thing that it does is capturing the HTML that has been pasted. And anytime you paste an image or a tag image with a source, it's going to convert that into an image placeholder. And then I go through my, let me just go and show you where I'm calling this observe blocks. This observe blocks function is being called every time the editor changes with the editor values. So I'm going through all the blocks all the time. There's a change. Yes, I know it doesn't seem performant, but it's actually quite good. And you saw it in the demo before. So I'm going for each block and checking if the block is of type image placeholder and has a source attribute or source prop. If that's the case, then I'm just updating that to an image with the source prop. This will trigger this, let me show you this use effect here that it's going to upload the image to the using the function internal function that we have. This is a local first application, so we're uploading the image to an IPFS node that is running in the app. So this is the function that we have. This function .mutate, we pass the URL, and then it returns us a CID or the ID of that image. So then we can update again the block and with the appropriate values, which is URL with the prefix of IPFS colon slash slash and an empty source, because that's what I'm checking here to show either an uploading banner or the actual image. And yeah, this is how I'm doing it. And I can show you again if I remove everything and I copy all of that and I go here and paste. It says uploading, and then when it uploads, it shows you the images where it needs to be. So